Do you know that in Nigeria we have another country? A lot of people will say that there is a Biafran people and Oduduwa that is asking for their own nation. No. In the north, we already have another country that have their own laws. If people will not understand, I am going to explain. This video you are about to watch now is going to change the way you see Nigeria and the way you think about Nigeria. I just watch. In Nigeria today, Boko Haram already have Sambisa forest. In that Sambisa forest, a lot of things are going on, and they are ruling. In that village, what is ruling there is Sharia law. But in a place like Sokoto today, they have another law which is different from the law. We are not practicing regional government to bear it in mind, but in Sokoto, in other part of North today, they have another law which forbid drinking alcohol in the same country. The last time I checked, Nigeria is not a Muslim country, it's a Christian country. But how come we have another law inside Nigeria that is existing? Some hotels in the north are not selling beers. Tell me how the economy of the country is going to be stable. Because if those hotels are not making more money, how are they going to pay enough tax they're supposed to pay? In one Nigeria, we have people practicing Sharia law. In one country, the only country that have two money, the only country that now have two passports, the old one and the current one. So tell me if Nigeria is not, if Nigeria do not have another country. I'm going to play this video for you to hear this man that escaped from Boko Haram. What he said that happened inside that place will now change the way you see Nigeria and the way you reason things about Nigeria. Please do not forget to follow our new page, Balabaji's Vlog, and follow all our social media handles. We have a shop where you can shop Biafra cloth. Only we have there now. So tell me the thing you want in that shop. I'm going to put it in that shop as well. So please, now watch this video and we'll come back and continue.
Sir, can you tell us what happened?
Yes, in 2014, I was in school. Boko Haram came to me. They said that they will take me to Sambisa to be their teacher in Sambisa. So from that, I have nothing to say. I just agree. They take me to Boko to Sambisa. They give me one room aside. They put me inside that room. About three weeks ago, I didn't get anything. They only give me water to drink. I spent 3 weeks without taking food, without taking bath. So they take me out. They said, okay, let's go to our elder. That is their commander. We call Shekau. So we went there. They said that, look at this man. She's a teacher from Adamawa State. He's a teacher. So we bring him here to teach our children. I even check her with Shekau. She say, you are welcome. I said, thank you, sir. We check her very well. So from there, one of their commander called Bana from Bama. He come to me. He said, okay, madam, so tomorrow you are going to start our your teaching. I said, okay, that, thank you. They give me chalk and they give me the textbook that I'm going to teach. So he took me there, and from there I saw that girl that I told you. That I saw her there. So as I entered the class, they will stand up and say, Salam alaikum. That is greeting. I say, alaikum salam. I say, Ijilis. That is sit down. They sit. So that man, he supervised me. How can I going to start this teaching? I write on the board Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I write on the board that in the name of the Father. I write it. Then I start explaining. I write alphabet in the with a language of Arabic. I write it. Batasa up to Z in Arabic language. Then man says, he got hand to me. Says that yes, you are really a fine teacher, but we are not going to leave you to go. You are here since you are here up to your date here. I said no problem, sir. I agree.
Wait, I'm trying to understand. Okay, so they told you you'll be here till you die. That you are going to. Okay, they brought him to a classroom to test his proficiency if he can actually write in Arabic, because they wanted him to teach the students in the Sambisa forest Arabic. Now, I'm curious, does Boko Haram have any issues with mathematics and English?
No, sir.
Then why were they angry at you that you were teaching mathematics and English?
They say is bad. That's haram. That is Boko Haram. This Boko is actually when you are teaching, or you are a teacher, or you are working, you are a policeman, you are a soldier, whatever you are, whatever you are. If you are not speaking Arabic language, you are not teaching a religion that is Arabic. Is all what you are doing is haram.
Okay, I'm trying to understand something here. A lot of us might not know what Boko Haram means. I think Boko means Western education, and then Haram means forbidden. So what it stands for is that Western education is forbidden, and they were angry at him that why is he teaching English and mathematics? Why is he not teaching Arabic? That was when he was adopted, and they kept him there for 3 weeks. He did not bathe, he did not eat any food. He was only drinking water. How did you survive for 3 weeks without food?
Yes, sir. This is how they give me that punishment. So after 3 weeks, one woman called Fatima, she brought me small food and soup. She said, look at this food. I'm the one who brought it, but not their wish. I just hide this food for you because I'm a human being. Human being cannot live without eating food. But don't tell you I'm the one who did for you. So she hiding it inside that we call a gown. She hiding it. Then she bring it for me. She begging me, don't tell them that I'm the one who give you this food. I said no. She begging me seriously.
Wait, but how did you survive 3 weeks without food? It's unbelievable if you ask me.
No.
You survived 3 weeks without food.
Yes. 3 weeks without food, any water. God who made me.
Wow. You went through a lot.
Yes. So
you started teaching them?
Yes. I'm teaching them with this hunger.
When you started teaching them, they began to feed you, right?
Yes. When they began to feed me, so they carry me to other room. They transfer me from that room to other room near commander called Shekau. So from there, if in the morning, all of us in the morning, we are used to go to that place and greet that man. If you see that man, Shekau, you are not believe that man. He's a Boko Haram. He's very jovial. He's playing and he's talking jovial to you, and he's not talking something bad for you. No.
He doesn't shout, he doesn't get angry.
No.
He's very friendly.
Very, very friendly. You see, she said, you are a very good man. We are going to stay for you ever and ever. You are going nowhere. And we are going to put a watchman for you. That is to guide me. They put two men as a watchman.
Make sure you don't escape.
Yes. So I told them I'm not going anywhere.
And you told them that you're not going anywhere?
Yes.
That you will stay?
Yes.
You started enjoying the place?
Yes. So, sir, actually that place, actually, I let it tell you, actually, you got to meet me. That place, hi. If it is that place, and even these people, they are coming to us. That Red Cross. They are coming. Give us food, give us clothes.
Red Cross used to come there.
Exactly. They used to come there. and give us clothes and
Wait. You mean the Sambisa forest where you were kidnapped
Yes.
with Shekwao, the Boko Haram commander? Red Cross Society would come there to give people food.
They are coming actually, and that place is not as you know that its light is there.
Eh?
Light is there.
There's light.
Yes, there's pump.
There's pump.
There's market, big market.
There's market.
Yes.
So people enjoy.
Yeah. So that place is not as you see, as you hear that is some for no. The place is very as is built with a big wall there.
There's a very big wall surrounding it.
Yeah, that man, they told us he was a president, Ibrahim Babangida. He's the one who round that place with a wall.
There's enough food.
Enough food. Seriously, enough food, sir. But as you see,
What other things were people enjoying there?
Huh?
What other thing were people enjoying?
Yeah, we are enjoying. We are working together and talking together. But you are not talking any word except Arabic. Or if you're not here Arabic, you talk in Hausa, but you are not allowed to talk in English there.
You're not allowed to speak English.
No, because it's haram.
Okay, they don't promote English.
No, they don't.
What are some things that Boko Haram don't tolerate?
No, sir, these people, if they catch you that you are taking cigarette, they'll shoot you.
Cigarette?
They shoot you down. If they take you, if this that you are telling lie, something is not correct that you don't lie. If they verify that this what you're saying is lie, they'll shoot you.
So they have very serious discipline.
Yes, exactly.
I also heard that if you put on clothes like this, you are not supposed to wear English cap.
Actually,
That if you also wear trouser, the trouser should stop here.
Like this, you see, this is how they are. And
I can't wear trouser that stop
no,
here.
and even shoe.
I can't wear this kind of shoe.
No, actually, the shoe that they want that private people use, or boot. But if you see them dressing, if you don't understand, if you see them dressing, you take that they are army. But the difference only in distance, they have the something to round their hair, their head. That's the difference between them and soldier. But they have camouflage and the boot, and they have many guns. Sir. They have Mark 4, D3, any gun or any weekend gun. The people they happy.
How they getting this gun?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know where people that get that gun.
In the camp, did they give you any human?
No.
They didn't give you any human.
No. They told me that we are not going to give you wife here till we see your attitude, or till we see how you are moving here. Then we are good. Then we are give you wife there. So that man called Suman Buba came to me and say, Malam, get ready. I said, what? Get ready. I want you to go out today. I said, how? I said, no. They are planning to kill you, but I don't want to see them to kill you. They are planning to kill you. So get ready. As you are my teacher, I'm not allowed anybody to kill you here. If I allowed it, God will punish me. I said, thank you. He give me shirt and he give me food for a shoe. I wear it. He convey me with machine. Actually, that way, I never see that kind of forest in my life. So this man convey me with machine, sir. He speak like on the like on mirror. Then we are not to enter Goza. Then he dropped me. I don't know that place. I'm just walking. So as I'm coming, I saw armies. Said, stop there, stop. See Boko Haram, stop there. Hands up. I said my hands are. Actually, they come. They even afraid to come close to me. You see? They check me. They asked me to pull my a shirt. I took off 12 your trousers. I took off only I with my shanika. They check me everything. Then they asked me to go other place. I go that other army. They say okay, hands up. I said, who are you before? I told them I'm a teacher before. You are a teacher before, eh? Why are you following people? I said no, it's not my wish. They grabbed me and they want to kill me. They said if I do not follow them, they'll shoot me. That's why I follow them. So from where are you? I said no, I'm from Madagali local government. And where you are wife? I don't know. I spent 3 months and 2 weeks there. So I don't know.
How long did you spend in the forest?
3 months.
Okay, you only spent 3 months there.
3 months, yes.
And you escaped.
Yes, that man helped me. If no, sir, actually I'll die there. Don't allow me.
So that was how the army rescued you.
Yes. So from there, army, they give me water. I take bath. They give me food. I eat. And then they give me clothes. I remove that one. Then they give me new shoe and then they hand him over to Madagali. From Goza to Madagali. That army from Madagali, they take me straight to my village, Shiwa, where I teach and where was my house. They carry me straight to my district head, Mustafa. He say, yeah, this is our teacher here, and he came by Boko Haram about 3 months, some days ago. Say yes. So from there, they take me from that Shiwa. They take me to movie camp. From movie camp, they asked me from where are you? I said from Madagali local government. Where your family? But I don't know. So one man hear that I'm from movie camp. They send my wife to come and check me. My wife come. She said that she want to see somebody. His name Saadu. Saadu, from where? From Madagali local government. Why I ask her? Yeah, it's my husband. Your husband? Your husband? Okay, go, come. My wife enter. As she saw me, I saw her. We grab ourselves. She's crying, I'm crying. She's crying, I'm crying. I said, how are children? They're all fine. But she told me that they already killed your father.
They killed your dad.
Yes. Also, he's actually here with me. So this is how I escaped from Boko Haram. One man that I taught him as a teacher, he is my student, Usman Buba. He's the one who escaped from Boko Haram, sir. If not, I don't think I will escape from Boko Haram, because all the children they enjoy me, and they are like me.
And this was in 2014.
Yes, 2014.
Wow, what a story! Honestly,
that's why I tell you that maybe I'm going to be something in this Adama state, sir. These people they killed four teachers with gun. I said no, don't kill them. Also their teacher, let's take them to Sambisa. Don't say no. These people they are not good people. They shoot them. They shoot them down 4. And one woman. That woman actually they meet her with what do you call it? That burkutu. That local beer, Gogoro. She say, hey, what is this? That's me. She say, no, this is a local beer called Gogoro. What? Gogoro? Haram. Tau. They shoot her here. She fell down. She said, so this is very, very, very bad indeed. Very, very bad. So are you taking it? No. I say I'm not taking it. I don't know how they get it. I don't know how they cook it. Sir, if I lay down, I cannot sleep. If I wake up, I can, and I said no. Let these people kill me.
Wow. Because it is God that saved you.
I don't know what I'm doing. You see,
God has
I don't know
saved.
anybody there, and also I am totally confused. Yes.
Thank God for your safety.
Yes, sir.
So
This is how I escaped from Boko Haram, sir. But actually, I suffered a lot. I suffered 3 weeks without eating anything that they are giving me a punishment. Why I take mathematics and physics?
may God protect all of us. I don't know what to say, you know. I don't know what else to say. So I've looked around this environment. It seems a lot of people here don't really have food to eat. So tomorrow, if I can come in the morning, I'll come to get some food provisions. If I can't come, Abdul, you'll go to the market and buy something, then share for everybody.
This is my son, and I have a son that called Abdul.
Oh, you have a son called Abdul.
Yes.
Nice. Nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this very episode. You know, he went to work as a teacher, but unfortunately, he ended up unfortunate, I would say. He was kidnapped, he was tortured, but luckily he escaped, and today he's sharing his story to the world. I don't even know what to say. I absolutely have no comments other than asking everyone to be security conscious. Thank you so much for watching this very episode. Let's say bye to the viewers. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. You know, where we tell you that Nigeria have 2 countries. Are you telling me that Sambisa Forest is bigger than one state? Even though it's bigger than one state, but these people can bomb from Owerri to Olu. Different. That's, let me say, a place that reach up to one, that is 2 states in Igbo land. They can strike in Anambra and go to Imo State and strike and go to. Are you telling me that Sambisa Forest cannot be struck in one day? At least let bomb be running. Are you see what you people are telling me? So you see that we have 2 countries. Already country that is existing inside the one we are living. Now tell me, you see the fight these people are fighting is Islamization of this country. So thank God for this video. Drop your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you.